Hello students. Today in this video I will explain the questions of NCERT which are based on discount and marked price. मेरे पहले वीडियो में मैंने समझाया था कि डिस्काउंट क्या होता है और किस लिए यूज होता है। डिस्काउंट के अंदर जो मार्केट में ऑफर्स आते हैं like you have a 25% discount, 50% discount. So the customer gets the same thing, the same commodity for a lesser price. तो ये डिस्काउंट इसलिए इतना सक्सेसफुल है क्योंकि it helps the customer to save the money and the shopkeeper to increase his sale. जैसे आपने देखा है कि फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन की सेल हर साल लगती है and many customers buy from there, and also the shopkeepers are interested in the sale because it helps them to sell their things. अब हम NCERT के कुछ questions करते हैं. To begin with, I am taking question number 6 which is on page number 125. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the item. What would the customer have to pay for the pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? एक बार हम क्वेश्चन को समझ लेते हैं. कस्टमर गया शॉप पे, उसने एक पेयर ऑफ जीन्स उठाई, एक जीन्स उठाई और दो शर्ट्स ली जो कि 850 each. So basically for two shirts it will be 850 plus 850 which will be 1700, and for the pair of jeans it is 1450. Okay, but he is being given 10% discount. So when he goes to the counter to pay his bill, then because of sale and having 10% discount, तो अब कस्टमर को कितना पे करना पड़ेगा ये हमें क्वेश्चन के अंदर निकालना है. Okay, so we first find the total marked price of the item. So total marked price of jeans plus two shirts. Jeans was 1450 and two shirts were 850 rupees each. So this we can add. Okay. Carefully you need to add because there shouldn't be any mistake. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3150 is the total marked price of the item. Now the discount percentage is 10%. उसको 10% डिस्काउंट मिल गया. तो लेकिन 10 रुपए थोड़ी ना डिस्काउंट मिला है, 10% मिला है. So we need to find D% of MP. 10% of MP. 315 rupees का उसको डिस्काउंट मिल गया. Now what is the actual amount that the customer has to pay? Because he got the discount of 315 rupees, so the selling price becomes marked price minus discount. Discount is never added to the marked price. This is the money which is less. So we can subtract like this. So this becomes 10, 5, this becomes 4, 3, carry over आएगा फिर से 11, this will be 3, 8, and this will be 2. So the total money which the customer has to pay is rupees 2835 for a jeans and 2 shirts instead of 3150. Okay. Now next question on the same page. This is question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays, मतलब काउंटर पे जाके अरुण कितना पे कर रहा है 1600 रुपीज, फाइंड द मार्क्ड प्राइस. तो जो 20% डिस्काउंट है दैट इज ऑन द marked price. Okay, so we try to solve it with the equation. So let the marked price be rupees X. Discount percent is 20%. So discount is D percent of MP. So 20% of X. इसको हमारा मन करता है तो हम reduce कर लेते हैं. So that is X by 5. Now, how do we find the sale price? It is always marked price minus discount. The sale price is also given to be 1600. कहाँ से हमें पता चला? यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि 1600 सेल प्राइस है, which is also equivalent to market price minus discount. So here we take the LCM. So this will be 5x minus 5, 4x upon 5. Okay. So now what we get 4x upon 5 is equal to 1600. तो x हो गया हमारा 1600. On the right side reciprocal हो जाएगा. So now we can easily cut. So 2000 rupees were the price of the skates which he got it for 1600 because there was a discount of 20%. अब अगर यही क्वेश्चन को मुझे चेक करना है कि मेरी कैलकुलेशंस ठीक है या नहीं है, तो जो मेरा आंसर निकला है मार्क्ड प्राइस 2000 रुपीज, मैं उसका डिस्काउंट परसेंट 20% of 2000 rupees I can find. This is just a check. This is not to be written in the answer. 400 rupees and 2000 rupees minus 400 rupees आपका 1600 rupees हो गया जो कि उसका सेलिंग प्राइस था. ओके, सो दैट्स अ क्रॉस चेक कि आपका आंसर जो आपने निकाला है वो सही है कि नहीं है. आगे चलते हैं. सेम क्वेश्चन को अगर हम यूनिटरी मेथड से करते हैं तो कैसे करेंगे? यूनिटरी मेथड में 100 लेना होता है मार्क्ड प्राइस को, तो सेलिंग प्राइस जितना परसेंटेज है उसको एज इन रुपीज ले लेते हैं. ₹20, तो सेलिंग प्राइस हो गया उसका 80. अब मार्क्ड प्राइस मुझे निकालना है और सेलिंग प्राइस है मेरा 1600. क्योंकि ये दोनों क्वांटिटीज दी हुई हैं तो मेरी स्टेटमेंट लेफ्ट अलाइन चलेगी. मैं सेलिंग प्राइस से शुरू करूंगी कि इफ द सेलिंग प्राइस is ₹80, then the marked price is ₹100. If the selling price is ₹1, then marked price is 100 upon 80. And if the selling price is ₹1600, same question है जो अभी पहले किया था, but I'm doing it with the different method. So now you can cancel. Then also you get 2,000 rupees. So the price of skates is rupees 2,000. So that's your answer. So either you do by the above method or this method. These are correct. So these were the two questions of NCERT. Though in this particular exercise there are many concepts, but only two questions are based on discount. So in my next video, I'll be taking some more questions from Exemplar. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also visit our website www.studiestoday.com for free study material like sample papers, solved question papers, worksheet, online test and concept notes made by the teachers of leading schools in India.